Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a comparison video between Mustang GT with active exhaust, and we're going to compare it to a car that is without active exhaust. We're going to see which one sounds better. Alright, so here is a cold start of the Mustang GT without the active exhaust system. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and start up the one with the active exhaust. Here it goes. Guys, now once again, I'm going to start up the standard one without active exhaust. Let it idle down. Alright, so now we're going to do remote rev with the standard no active exhaust Mustang. We're going to see if the standard exhaust is good or if the active exhaust is better. Ready? Let's go ahead. We're going to, on the key fob, we're going to hit unlock and lock. You guys can take a listen. Gonna do one more rev for you guys. This is again no active exhaust. There you guys go. That was the Mustang GT without active exhaust, remote rev and cold start. Alright, and now this is the Mustang GT with active exhaust. We're gonna go ahead and do remote rev and let's see how it sounds. Unlock, lock. It's again unlock, lock. Oh, sounds good. Sounds amazing. GT4 All right, now guys, comment down below which one do you think sounded better, the Mustang GT with the performance pack or the standard grabber blue Mustang GT. Comment down below. Active exhaust versus no active exhaust, which one would you rather prefer? I want to see it in the comments. Comment down below, let me know which Mustang you would rather have, which exhaust system would you rather have, and also let me know what are specifications you would have on your Mustang GT and Dark Horse.